Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Ruchi Bhattar and this video is about the Delhi High Court's order directing the Municipal Corporation of Delhi to conduct a survey over allegations of illegal encroachments and constructions around the Shahi Jama Masjid after stating that it could not form a definite opinion based on photographs alone. A two-judge bench of Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Tejas Karya on Wednesday directed the MCD to verify the allegations of illegal encroachments around the mosque and conduct a survey within a period of 2 months. The court further ordered that if the survey finds any illegal construction or encroachment or any illegal use, then appropriate action under the law must be taken with expedition. In its two-page order released on Thursday afternoon, the High Court noted, and I quote, certain photographs have also been enclosed along with this writ petition, which apparently depicts encroachments and some illegal constructions. However, no definite opinion can be formed on the basis of the said photograph, end quote, prompting it to direct a survey by the MCD. The order comes a day after the MCD, acting pursuant to a separate Delhi High Court order, carried out a demolition drive of unauthorized structures and illegal encroachments around the Faiz-e-Ilahi Mosque near the Old Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan. That action involved bulldozers and police deployment and targeted unauthorized constructions adjacent to the mosque and graveyard, leading to clashes with locals and arrests. Now, let me tell you about the petition which led to the Jama Masjid order. The legal proceedings were initiated by local residents Farhat Hassan, Muhammad Shahid Khan, Muhammad Asif, and Abdul Amir Amiro, represented by Advocate Hemant Chaudhary, who sought immediate removal of the unauthorized structures surrounding the historic 17th century monument. The writ petition filed in the December of 2025 assert that the Shahi Jama Masjid is a historic monument or a heritage site of national importance and alleges that it is suffering from, quote, uncontrolled commercial as well as illegal activities, end quote. Importantly, the petitioners stated that they have no personal interest in the litigation and are acting to protect the sanctity of the site and the welfare of all the class persons from weaker sections of the society. A primary grievance raised in the petition concerns the alleged encroachment of public parks belonging to the Horticulture Department of the MCD. The petition claims that Shahi Imam Sayyid Ahmad Bukhari and his relatives have converted these open spaces into lavish private houses and farms. Relying on RTI responses, the petition states that no land has been allotted by the department, rendering the residential constructions illegal. The petition also alleges that the Imam and his associates are using the mosque as a private income source, amounting to a grave violation of religious sanctity, ASI heritage protection norms, and the Delhi Municipal Act. Specific reference is made to the Gumbad Cafe, allegedly operated on the terrace opposite to the mosque dome, where heavy lights are said to have been installed solely to enable the customers to take photographs. Advocate Chaudhary contends in his petition that this electricity usage constitutes a gross misuse of public money and misuse of the Delhi Waqf Board property. The petition further alleges that the mosque is frequently closed for local worshippers during morning hours, allowing entry only to paying tourists. Concerns have been raised regarding public safety, with allegations of an illegal chemist shop and an unlicensed hospital operating under the same name of Imam Abdullah Bukhari Hospital within the MCD Park area. According to this petition, these establishments lack valid licenses and use domestic electricity connections for commercial purposes, posing what is described as a continuous threat to the life of the patients and the public. Additionally, the petition details large-scale illegal parking operations at gate numbers 3, 5 and 7 of the masjid, allegedly controlled by the Shahi Imam's family. It claims that these operations generate lakhs of rupees in daily income, with foreign tourists charged differently from local citizens and revenues not transparently audited. Lastly, the petition states that the authorities failed to act despite multiple representations sent between November 2024 to November 2025. It further alleges that the Mosque Management Committee has been packed with the Imam's family members and associates, which the petition claims is a clear violation of the Waqf governance norms. With that, thank you for watching.